Hello, I'm Asia Dorsey Jackson. I'm here to help you get your book out of your head and into your hand. So, today I want to talk about something that people feel a lot of different ways about. People might try to come jump me in the comments, but I'm going to speak on it anyway. And that is one, your biggest asset as an author is your unique voice. It's your voice. It's not your topic, because it's really rare that you're about to write about something that no one else has ever written about. Some way, shape, or form, someone has written about your topic before. So it's not your topic, it's your voice. You've never written about this topic before. The world hasn't heard this topic written about before in the voice that you have. So what is my issue? My issue is that with all the AI tools that exist, a lot of you are using them, and a lot of you are using them improperly, and a lot of the writing that I'm getting as an editor sounds exactly the same. It's not original, and the drop in quality that I've seen over the last couple of years in what I'm getting is drastic, and it's real. People might come for me about this. A lot of people love to teach AI writing. I think that there are potentially ways that it can be done well, but I think that at least a good 80% of people are doing it poorly. I'm getting a lot of stuff that sounds identical. It sounds very robotic, and I don't like it. I'd much rather read something that is rough and authentic than something that feels very polished but robotic. For me, it makes it harder to edit, because then it's harder for me to find you in the robot, in the AI, to find your voice, to really bring it out. It's not about the prompts. It's not about the tools. It's not about whether you're using GPT or Claude or any other AI tool. The problem is that when people rely way too much on AI, the result is lacking authenticity. It's lacking personality. It's lacking what makes you sound like you. Even when people are going through these prompts to be like, make this sound like me, blah, blah, blah. For me as an editor, it's still very obvious when AI has been overused in the writing process. What I think that a lot of times in shorter form, it's not as prevalent, but when you're writing something like a book, a lot of times there's a lot of repetition. There's a lot of language that isn't typically used by people in normal conversation and normal writing that comes up so often. So it's like, if I see the words profound, delve, embark, tapestry, weave, it's like I know when I see those, AI is all over it. And it's not even just the words. A lot of times it's the sentence structure. There's like this, like, not only this, but blah, blah, blah. Not just this, but blah, blah, blah. That is all over everything that I read that's written in AI. So honestly, I don't have an issue with AI as a tool. I just think that there are a lot better ways that it can be used to assist you in your writing that aren't just completely writing your book and taking away your personality and taking away what makes you you, and taking away your authentic voice and adding that spice and that sauce to your book. One thing that I would suggest, versus just going to your book and saying, or going to the AI tool and saying, hey, can you write me a chapter on blah, 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 is speaking out your words. I like to use a tool like Otter. Speaking out your thoughts, talking about your topic in the way that you would talk about it into a transcription tool like Otter, and then using an AI tool to clean it up, get it more grammatically correct. But if you can talk it out, because a lot of times people struggle when they sit down trying to write things out. I get that. And this is something that I've said even with my ghostwriting clients. Talk it out. Get it in your voice. Have it sound like you. and then get AI to clean it up. And then a lot of times it then comes across more authentic and better than if you are just saying, hey, write me a chapter on making biscuits in my voice, and then you have all of these AI words through there. So I'd love to get your thoughts. Comment, let me know what you think. Are you using the tools? How are you using them? Would love to talk to you in the comments. So leave me a comment. I'll talk to you again soon.